Welcome back. Today, we're making the juiciest apple and Coke glazed chicken you've ever tasted. Start with a splash of oil in a hot pan. High heat is key. We're using 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Sear them until they get that perfect golden crust. Welcome to Modern Man Cooks. Pull them out for now. Look at that color. That's pure flavor right there. Quick hack. Smash your garlic first to release the oils. 3 cloves, finely minced. Next, dice 1 medium onion. It's going to melt into our sauce later. The secret ingredient. 1 Granny Smith apples. They add the perfect tartness. Sauté the onion and garlic in the leftover chicken fat. Don't waste that liquid gold. Deglaze with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Now, the magic. Half a cup of Coca-Cola. The sugar will caramelize everything. Add those apple slices in. Let them soak up all those savory juices. Chicken goes back in. Cover and simmer on low for 15 minutes. See you then. Today, we're taking chicken to a whole new level. Remove the chicken. Now, let that sauce reduce until it's thick and glossy. Pro tip, blend the sauce for a velvety texture. It makes it restaurant quality. Just look at that shine. This glaze is sweet, salty, and absolutely elite. A little fresh parsley for that pop of color and freshness. This is incredible. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more man cooking hacks. If you're tired of boring dinners, subscribe and join the club. See you in the next one.